Let us perform an activity based on surface tension. The materials required are watercolors, paintbrush, a little amount of milk, black pepper, a little amount of water, cotton bud, and thick soap solution. Take a saucer filled with water. Sprinkle pepper uniformly across the surface of water. The pepper flakes float. Touch the tip of the cotton bud to soap solution. Touch your soapy bud to the water surface gently. What do you observe? We observed that most of the pepper flakes should have flit to the sides of the saucer. It seems as if soap was chasing the pepper flakes away. Now, in place of water, take milk in a saucer. Pour drops of little amount of different colors on the surface of milk such that they do not mix with each other. Touch the soapy bud to the milk surface gently. What do you observe? We observe that as the cotton bud is dipped into the milk, the color starts to mix. Let us find out the reason in both the cases. First case. The pepper flakes float because pepper is hydrophobic, that is, it is not attracted towards water. But why do the flakes float on top of the water? Water molecules like to stick together. They line up in a certain way that gives the top of the water surface tension, due to which it keeps them floating on the top. The pepper flakes flit to the sides of the saucer when soap touches the water because soap is able to break down the surface tension of water. As the soap moves into the water and the surface tension changes, the surface of the water outside the soap drop has higher surface tension, so it pulls the soapy surface outwards, flitting the pepper flakes away. Second case. Just like water, milk has surface tension, but unlike water, it is high in fat and is solid colored. As the colors are less dense, so they do not mix into the milk unless stirred. It remains separate. Addition of soap breaks down the fat of the milk and decreases the surface tension in milk.